Welcome to the first ever episode of Fashion and Law with me. My name is Fatu. Some of you may know I'm an attorney and I love a bit of fashion, hence the name Fashion and Law. I know it's silly, but I thought it was a great idea to combine two things that I love, which is the law and fashion. So I hope to keep the first episode very brief, just to introduce myself to you guys and just to sort of share with you what the channel will be about, and I hope we do have some fun together. But before we get into it, I would like to congratulate the class of 2025, our matriculants. All those who made it, congratulations, and all those who didn't, please don't give up on your dreams. And if you do have an opportunity to upgrade your marks, please do take that opportunity, because this one moment of failure does not define your entire destiny. Like I said, I am going to keep this episode very brief. I'll just tell you a bit about myself and my career journey, where I am now, and what I hope to achieve with this platform. So let's get into it. For those who don't know, I'm an attorney, and what that means is that I'm a lawyer. Okay, jokes aside, but yeah, I'm an attorney. So how does one get to be an attorney in South Africa? So during my time, obviously you do have your matric. So after my matric, I had to do my LLB for 4 years, which I did at the University of Venda. And once I was done with that, at my time, right, I had to go to law school for a period of 6 months, which I did. And I also had to serve articles either for a period of 2 years or a year. But I did my articles with legal aid, so that was 2 years, which was great. I enjoyed it. And after my articles, I then wrote my board exams. So with board exams, I wrote 4 papers. I know there are rumors that they're going to change that to 5, but I wrote 4 papers. And after writing my boards, I had to make an application to the High Court to be admitted as an attorney. This was during my time. I don't know if the process has changed. I don't know if the requirements have changed, but that's what I had to go through to be an attorney. So yeah, I got admitted. And once I was admitted, I was in a bit of a dilemma. Do I go into practice? Because practice was all I knew all my life, because I had served my articles with legal aid. So practice felt familiar, right? But I was not sure. And in that midst of being unsure, COVID hits. And everything was at a standstill. Practice seemed out of reach, and I was just at home. So what I did at that time is I increased my visibility on LinkedIn. I also increased my visibility on PNet. So one afternoon, was minding my business. I was actually studying for conveyancing. One afternoon, while I was studying for conveyancing, I got a call from a recruiter, and she said, "Hi, my name is so-and-so. I saw your profile on PNet, and I have a job offer with one of the financial service providers, and I'd like to know if you are interested." What comes into my mind? Johannesburg, obviously, and that was never in my plans. So I'm like, yeah, I am interested. Where is this role? And then she's like, well, the role is in Johannesburg, and you're going to have to start the following Monday. I think this was midweek. Can't remember exactly when this was. But so she said, start date is the following week on a Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Can you come to Johannesburg? It's lockdown, Sissy. How am I going to get to Johannesburg? But I was like, yeah, sure, I'll be able to get to Johannesburg. That's how I landed the job. No proper interview, just visibility on the right platforms. So that is the one tip that I'll give all the graduates: visibility in all platforms. So let's talk about what it means to be a non-practicing attorney. So, although I am a licensed attorney, I don't have the right of appearance. Like, I don't have the extra license to appear that gets renewed annually. I don't have it. So what that means is that I cannot go to court. So I don't pay any membership fee and I do not go to court. My work ends in the office. I do not go to any court. If you are my friend and you think I'm gonna help you one day, it's not gonna happen because I cannot appear before any magistrate without a right of appearance. So I can't go to court. Do I regret not being a practicing attorney? And the truth is, I don't. I know what it's like being in court, and as much as I loved it at the time, I think being a corporate attorney works better for me and my personality, and I enjoy it more. So you may ask yourself, what do I do now? So I am in the payment space. Yeah, what that means is behind your EFT payments, behind your debit orders, there's some law in that, and I work in that space. That's the best way I can explain it. Now that my business is out there, please note that whatever opinion I give, be it in answering your questions, that does not constitute legal advice. It's simply my opinion and that is it. And if you do have a legal matter, please do find an attorney in your area who will assist in resolving your matter and perhaps provide you with specific legal advice that is tailored specifically to your facts. I'm so excited to be doing this, guys. So if you do have a law related question that you would need my opinion on, please send me a DM, put it on the comment section, and I will definitely look into it and possibly do a video on the issue. But I look forward to more videos, more engagements. Bye. Before I go, because this is law and fashion, I am gonna share with you guys where I got my outfit from. This is my favorite part. Okay, so I got the earrings from Fushini, the shirt I got from Exact, and the pants I got from Shein, and the bracelet I got from Shein, and the ring I got from Shein. Bye, see you next time.